Hello, it's Sunday, July 16th, 2017, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your Week in Review. Today, we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The Euro-US dollar rose by 0.63%, closing the week at $1.1470. The British pound US dollar jumped up by 1.23%, closing the week at a 1.3098 pound exchange rate. When electric cars first hit the market, oil companies weren't overly concerned. Diesel and petrol cars were still the main product purchased by the majority of car owners in the world. However, as electric cars gained in popularity over the years, dominated by manufacturers like Tesla, Volvo, and GM, this attitude has started to shift. Oil companies are starting to see electric vehicles as serious competition as demand for oil has started to decrease. Gold went up 0.84% as of last week's market close, closing at $1,227.50. Crude oil increased by 1%, closing at $46.54 a barrel. This week, three of the largest U.S. banks reported lower than expected earnings. Citigroup, JPMorgan and Chase and Wells Fargo announced significant drops in revenue from lending and interest income. Analysts believe consumer sentiment has also played a factor as people have shown more concern over their personal finance than at this time last year. The Dow Jones ended the week up by 0.39%, closing at a value of 21,637.74. The S&P 500 rose by 0.47%, closing at a value of 2,459.27. And lastly, the Nasdaq jumped up by 0.61%, ending the week at a value point of 6,312.47. That's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal trading consultant is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.